thing you're going to do is gather all the tools needed for the installation. You're going to want a cleaning rag, alcohol, tape, tape measure, scissors, and a squeegee. For demonstration purposes, we've already cleaned the surface and taped up our graphics. We found that taping the left and right side of our graphic aids in the alignment process as you can move each side individually. After you get your graphic aligned and centered on the wall or surface that you're wanting to align to, you're going to want to get 2 more pieces of tape and put them on the middle of the graphic to create a center hinge. After the center hinge is created, you can remove or cut the tape on one side and pull the pre-mask back away from the graphic as such. And you're going to want to take scissors and cut right down the middle of the graphic. With keeping the graphic off the surface at hand, you're going to pull taut on the pre-mask so that the graphics do not touch the surface until you're ready to install. At a 45-degree angle, you're going to move in a north and south manner to apply the graphic onto the door. Once you apply the graphic onto one half of the door, you're going to want to remove all pieces of tape or cut your last tape as an alignment aid. And remove the pre-mask on this side as well. And repeat the same process with the squeegee at a 45-degree angle. Once your graphic is fully applied, you're going to want to carefully pull away the pre-mask from the graphic itself at a 45 or 30-degree angle away from the wall. And don't forget to clean up after yourself and clean any fingerprints or anything else that you may leave behind.